नावेली परपेच्युअल कॉन्वेंट हायस्कूल आणि नॅशनल काउन्सिल ऑफ सायन्स अँड टेक्नॉलॉजी कम्युनिकेशन, गव्हर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया नवी दिल्ली आणि गोय राज्य विज्ञान आणि तंत्रज्ञान परिषद साळगाव हांच्या जोड पालवान सायन्स स्पार्क 2024 इंडिजिनस विकसित भारत घडोवन हाडली। नावेलच्या परपेच्युअल सुकूर कॉन्वेंट हायस्कूलान सायन्स स्पार्क 2024 इंडिजिनस विकसित भारत घडोवन हाडली। सगळ्या विद्यार्थ्यांनी व्हडा उमेदीन ही कार्यावळ मनयली। विविध उपक्रमांचो हे कार्यावळींत आस्पाव आसलो। पळयात।
Have you heard of Dr. Raghunath Mashelkar? Yes, he is from Mashel, the small village from Ponda. He has won so many awards. He has done a lot of research in science. You know, when he used to study in a small village where he did not have electricity, he used to sit below the electricity bills, public electricity, the electric pole, and he used to study. He has sacrificed so much to make our country very, very proud of himself and the state. So another very famous scientist that we know, who was the president of our country, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. The greatest lesson that we learned from him, that we should never give up in life when we see the failures. Everybody in life will come across so many failures. Even me as a child and now also, we have faced many times.
Non-renewable sources of energy, which means that they cannot be replaced. They are a major threat to human beings and environment because burning these can release chemicals, dangerous chemicals such as carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, which leads to pollution and lot of respiratory diseases. Examples of conventional sources of energy are coal, oil, petroleum, etc. What are non-conventional sources of energy? Non-conventional sources of energy are continuously produced in the nature and are limitless, which means that they are renewable. They are very environmental friendly because burning them do not release any dangerous chemicals. They are a clean form of energy. Examples of non-conventional sources of energy are wind energy, solar energy, etc. Energy transition. Energy transition basically means surviving the dangerous sources of energy by taking little steps toward a more cleaner and safer sources of energy, which means taking our steps from the conventional sources of energy to non-conventional sources of energy by stopping the use of conventional sources of energy. It is more effectively defined by the World Economic Forum.
गोवा 365 खातीर रमेश नाईक राऊत, गौतमी गावकार आणि निखिल जल्मी।